Good morning, students, and welcome back to the class. Today I will teach you Act 1, Scene 3. In this scene, it takes place in Venice. It is a public place where this scene takes place. And main characters in this scene are Bassanio, second is Shylock, and number 3 is Antonio. So these are the three main characters which will come in scene 3. Now here conversation is going between Shylock and Bassanio first. Shylock says, you want 3,000 ducats. This is the amount. 3,000 ducats. Ducats is the currency. Bassanio says, yes, I want this amount for the 3 months. Time is for 3 months. Bassanio says, and for this I told you Antonio will be the surety. Shylock says, Antonio will be the surety. Okay, I am ready. Bassanio says, can you help me? Will you do the favor to me for this one? Shylock says, 3,000 ducats for 3 months and Antonio. These are the 3 important things. Surety will be Antonio. Okay. Bassanio says, what is your reply to my request? I am asking for these three things. Shylock says, Antonio is a reliable man. Reliable means he is a famous man. He has got sufficient wealth to repay my this amount. Bassanio says, have you ever heard any allegation? Allegation means any act of dishonesty against him. Shylock says, oh no. My intention in telling you that he is a reliable man and his surety is sufficient for me. If you are unable to repay my loan, I can recover it from Antonio. And yes, one line is this, yet his means are in supposition. Supposition means his resources are at risk. He has one ship for sailing for the Tripoli. Other ship is on the way for the Indies. And moreover, I learned from the Venetian Stock Exchange. One word is there for this Rialto. Rialto means Venetian Stock Exchange. And from there I got that he has a third ship is at Mexico, fourth in England, and he has also got some other business investments spread out over the world. But ships are what? Ships are only the wooden planks, and sailors are mortal men. Anytime they can die. Just as there are land rats, water rats, so there are land robbers and sea robbers. We call it pirates. By which I mean pirates, and then there are the dangers of the sea, storm, rocks. However, Antonio is sufficient surety for all these. So 3,000 ducats, I think I may accept him as a security. Then Bassanio said, okay. Shylock says, I would like to assure that in order to that, I will think over it. Once I want to meet Antonio. Shylock says, okay, kindly dine with us and you can meet Antonio. Shylock says, one thing, to smell pork, to eat the meat of the animal into which Jesus of Nazareth put the devil. I am prepared, I am ready to buy, sell with you, talk with you, walk with you, do many other things. But one thing I will not do, that is, I will not eat with you, drink with you, or pray with you. these three things I will not do with you. Then he asked, what is the news on the Venetian Stock Exchange and who is that comes? Now here the entry of the Antonio in this scene comes, and Bassanio says, this is my Lord Antonio. Shylock says, he looks like a fluttering tax collector. I hate him because he is a Christian, but even more because he, in his childhood foolishness, he lends the money without interest. So this brings down the rate of interest in this Venice, and for this I suffered a lot. If I can catch him, I shall fully satisfy my old grudge, means bitterness against him. He hates our holy race. Now Shylock is Jew. He abuses in the place where most merchants to get together. My business deals and my hard-earned profits, which he calls just by the name of the interest. This he does, and may my tribe be cursed if I forgive him. Shylock says, if I forgive Antonio, then my tribe, my race, Jew, they will curse me. Bassanio says, Shylock, do you hear? Then Shylock said, I am calculating how much cash I have at present. As for my memory goes, I cannot immediately raise this 3,000 ducats. Oh, but it doesn't matter. My friend Tubal, this is one more character in this one, Tubal. He is the friend of Shylock, wealthy Jew. And for how many months you need? Okay, for 3 months. Okay. Antonio says, Shylock, I neither lend or borrow, taking another man's spare money. But what was the statement of the Antonio? He say, I neither lend, I neither give or take other person's spare money. But, however, in order to meet the immediate needs of my friend Bassanio, I shall break my habit. Then he asked the Antonio, yes, he is going to take this money for 3 months and 3,000 is the ducat. Is the money. Shylock says, I had forgotten, yes, it was 3 months and you told me so. It seemed to me you mentioned you neither lend, just now you said you neither lend nor borrow on interest. Antonio says, yes, I never do, but this I am doing only for my friend Bassanio. Then Shylock says, when our prophet Jacob descended from our holy Abraham and grazed his uncle's Laban's sheep, his clever mother planned on his behalf so that he should become the third successor to the family property. And yes, he was the third. Antonio said, what about him? Did he take the interest? Shylock said, no, he didn't. As you understand the meaning of world today, which means direct interest. But note that Jacob did do to Laban. He had agreed that all the newborn lambs that were striped or spotted should be Jacob's share as a payment for his subsistence. That was his part of the interest. That was the way to become the rich, and he was blessed in doing so. All profit is a blessing if men do not steal it from others. Antonio says, that was the enterprise business, sir, for which Jacob worked, and it was not in his power to make it happen. It was controlled and designed by the hand of God. Okay. Do you consider your gold as eves and silver as rams? Eves means female sheep and rams means male sheep. Now Antonio said, do you consider your gold as female sheep and silver as male sheep? Shylock said, I cannot tell you that I make my money increase as fast as eves and rams, but listen to me, sir. Antonio said, nothing can be expected from you. So, Shylock says 3,000 ducats, it is a big sum, 3 months from 12. Let me see the rate. Then Antonio said, well, Shylock, are you going to oblige us? Shalak says, Mr. Antonio, often you have abused me in the Venetian exchange market. Even you have shrugged your shoulders. Even you called me non-believer. You called me merciless dog. Even you spat on my Jewish robe. All because I put to use which is on my. But I forget each and everything, and I will give you the money. Then, now you have come now with a request for money. What shall I tell you? Shall I not say, has a dog any money? Is it not possible for a dog to lend you 3,000 ducats? But he said, on the other way, another time you called me a dog because of those acts, so-called politeness, shall I lend you the money? So all this Shalak is saying to Antonio. And Antonio said, I am likely to call you the same again. Again I will call you the dog, misbeliever. Again I will spit on you, push you aside again in the market. If you lend me the money, do not lend it as a friend, as an enemy you lend to me. Lend the money to me as if I were your enemy. If I should fail to abide by your contract, you shall exact. You have the right to charge the penalty from me. Shalak says, see how you lose your temper. I would like to have your friendship and love, to forget all the shameful things which you did with me in the past. I will give you what you have asked for without taking a small interest on my money, but you do not listen to me. Bassanio says, this would indeed be the kindness, act of kindness. Shalak says, I will show you the kindness, but for this we have to do the legal work. Let us go to the notary, to the court, and there put your signature on the bond. And for pleasant joke, we will make an agreement that if you do not pay me back the sum involved in this transaction for the within 3 months on the fixed day at the agreed place, then the penalty. What is the penalty? An exact pound of your flesh to be cut and taken away from whatever part of your body I choose. Antonio says, I agree with this, and I will sign the bond. I will sign the bond and say that the Jew is kind. Bassanio says, you will not sign such a bond for me. He said to Antonio, why you are putting your life at risk? No need to put the signature. I would prefer to live rather whatever I have. I don't want that money. Antonio says, well, do not fear. I shall forfeit the bond. Forfeit means I shall repay the bond within 2 months. He said within 2 months. That is at least a month before the expiry of the bond. I expect to get 9 times the value of this bond. 9 times means 27,000 ducats, 9 times of this one. And I can easily pay this 3,000 ducats. Shalak say, O Father Abraham, what type of the people these Christians are? Their own unjust dealings make them to suspect the intentions of the other. Tell me, I request you, if he is unable to pay me on the due date, what would I gain taking such a penalty? Just only a pound of the human flesh is not of any value as mutton, beef or lamb. I tell you that it is to gain his friendship and that I make this offer. Antonio says, okay, I will sign the bond. Again, Shalak said, you just meet me at the notary's office, and before that I have to arrange that 3,000 ducats I am going for there, and also I want to see that my house is safe or not, because one careless and unreliable spendthrift servant is working over there. Antonio said, okay, Jew will soon become a Christian, for he is becoming generous. Antonio says, come on, there is nothing to fear. My ships will be back 1 month before this completion of this bond, before the day that has been agreed upon in this bond. And then they move. Thanks.